Solid. That's what I told y'all. And Rose too, all over. I know him over there. I knew him over there before I found him over here. Guy showed me how to find y'all over here. And he the one that told me, look at this dog, y'all. My cats get on that dog ass, y'all. Looking like a reindeer over there. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Look, y'all. Where my other ones at? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Look at Shantae. Look at him. Can y'all see him? Look at the dog, reindeer. That's my cousin dog. Y'all. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Where your backup at? They there when you need them. Oh, I see y'all hiding on the truck. Look, you see that, don't you? I should name that dog Rose. She'll kill my ass. She'll kill my ass. Look at Rose. Oh shit. I need to stop that shit. I bet y'all be talking shit. Y'all be talking shit, man. Y'all got Jeepers Creepers out and everything. Y'all be wilding on me. Yeah, you know. It says the Empress down in the Jeepers Creepers house. I don't believe it. Look at it. Spider webs everywhere. Milk on the floor. Spider web, cobweb. Yeah, you gotta go through the dark night of the soul, get to the light, baby. You know? You gotta go through that mother. I gotta take you through the hallway. Before you get to heaven, boy. Look at Jesus. Jesus. Jesus hard headed, bro. God let me see, he don't let me do it all the time, but he let me see aspirations, however you say that word. Aspirations or whatever they call it. And I got to see the cats. Boy, y'all don't want to know who that little black one is. Jesus. All of them around, all the cats around, he don't even know it. Look, Lillian over there. Shantavia. Them two words, they be fighting. They be fighting. Lillian and Shantavia. They be fighting, bro. That's how I know they be into it in real life. All them cats around, though. Look at Jesus. Anyway, it's a beautiful day out, y'all. Look. All you bitches ain't shit. All you bitches sacrifice Jesus. All of you. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see? Look. All you bitches did it. Look, Rose. All you bitches set everybody up. The goddamn world is in turmoil because of you bitches. Sick of this shit. We told you we didn't want no Jesus in the box. Do you hear what I'm talking about? Can you hear what I'm saying? Look, Shantae was like, just don't walk up, Charlie. Watch it. Do you get what I'm telling you? Do you get what I'm telling you? They funny as hell, bro. Don't get your eyeballs scratched out now. That mother got eyes in the back of her head, bro. Look at that monster. She got a monster in her. Can't control the monster. Can't control the monster side.